I've decided to start losing weight again. So I've decided to go with a straight calorie deficit. I would like to show you the starting point where you're going to start off to figure out how many calories you should have. You're going to do a Google search for TDEE calculator. TDEE stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure. And this is going to give you an estimate as to how many calories you burn every day just doing your daily life. So for this one here, we're going to go down. This was the most recommended one from everyone I watched. So it's the TDEEcalculator.net. I'm going to go ahead and put my age. My current weight is about 320. Well, I think I was 321 when I last stepped on the scale. I am 5'11". I do work retail. I spend a lot of time on my feet. And some people say I could put light exercise, and I don't want that. So I just put in that I have a sedentary office job. At last I checked, my BMI was about 42%. And this is going to give you a number. This number right here. So this is your maintenance calories. So 2,626 calories per day is what it's going to take to maintain my current rate. This is what it takes for me to make it through a day. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how many calories we want to shorten that by or lessen that by so that we can lose some weight. Now, every pound of fat is 3,500-ish calories. So 3,500 calories divided by 7 gives us 500. So we would want to reduce this number by about 500 calories per day. And that should allow me to lose a pound a week. So what you're going to do once you've figured out this number here, so we're going to take that down, like I said, to 2,100 calories. We're going to figure out what we want to do. So down here, we're going to choose that we want to cut. Based on the number of grams of protein per day that's recommended for us, if we pull out our calculator, it's recommended that the average person do about 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per goal body weight. So if my goal body weight is 225 and I do that times 0.7, I'm going to shoot for 157.5 grams of protein. So this actually looks pretty good here as a good starting point for me. And this gives me everything that I'm going to need for the day. So I want to shoot for 159 grams of protein, about 83 grams of fat, and about 186 grams of carbohydrates. And that should allow me to lose a pound a week. It worked for me in the past, and I'm hoping it's going to work for me again. So until the next video, guys, thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you.